Hey guys, in this video, we are going to review the Wuffy Robot Dog. Meet Wuffy, the first AI-powered robot puppy that learns, plays, and bonds with your child just like a real pet, but without the mess or allergies. Designed with advanced technology and lifelike motion, Wuffy walks, barks, wags its tail, and even smiles in response to your child's touch and voice, making it a fun, educational, and screen-free companion for any family. Wuffy comes ready to play right out of the box, featuring AI-powered adaptive behavior that allows it to learn and respond uniquely to your child over time. It's touch-responsive, reacting with wagging, nodding, and happy sounds when petted. The puppy is handcrafted with soft, durable, allergy-friendly materials and comes in two color options. Engineered in Germany for precision and lifelike movement, Wuffy replicates real puppy behavior, walking, sitting, barking, and showing affection naturally. Wuffy helps children practice empathy and kindness by responding positively to gentle touches and care. It also promotes healthy family routines through screen-free play, gentle morning and bedtime interactions, and shared family moments during walks or playtime. Parents appreciate that it encourages creativity and responsibility without requiring feeding, grooming, or cleaning. Here we will see its customer reviews on Trustpilot. On Trustpilot, Wuffy currently holds an average rating. Many families love its lifelike design, adorable movements, and educational value, saying their kids quickly bond with it. Some reviews mention that battery life could be better and that responses sometimes feel repetitive over time. However, Wuffy relies on batteries, which may require frequent replacement or recharging. Some users find that the interactions can become repetitive over time. The range of behaviors is limited compared to a real pet, which may reduce long-term novelty. Its price is higher than typical robotic toys, which might not fit every budget. Overall, the Wuffy Robot Puppy is an innovative and heartwarming way to bring the joy of a pet into your home, especially for families who cannot have real animals. With its AI intelligence, lifelike behavior, and emotional engagement, it is more than a toy. It is a learning companion that helps kids grow kinder and more responsible while having fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.